Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are everywhere on our website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you this much Satoshi of the Litecoin every 2 minutes. First of all, go to your faucet pay, copy your Litecoin wallet address from deposit. Go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address from here. And after copying Litecoin wallet address, come in this website, paste your Litecoin wallet address in this dialog box and just click login. After that, just solve this data capture and just solve the hand capture in here. And after that, just click verify capture. After clicking verify capture, you can see it showing me a page. Just get the sponsor link. Okay, show you a short link. After this short links, you can easily make your crypto. Okay, just come down, just click here to continue. I just click in here, and you can see how I wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, show me another click button, maybe a continue button. Okay, just I click again. Okay, this time just click I'm not robot. Just click this one and show you another page. Wait 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, this will be show you another click button. Click it and come down, just click this one. Okay, and maybe this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. It's not too hard. It just take 10 seconds or maybe 1 minute to solve this one sponsor link. Just solve this data capture. After solving this capture, just come down, just click here to continue. Okay guys, now you can see this my Satoshi, this website pay me, and I go to my overview to show you the withdrawal proof of this website, to this website pay me or not. And you can see this my Satoshi, this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and you can easily make much more cryptocurrency from this website. And bye bye for now.